Trust me, you will never make spaghetti another way after watching this video. Hi besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Racarellesbite. So today I'll be making this mouth-watering, delicious spaghetti recipe. So guys, these are literally everything we need for our spaghetti. I'll be dropping all the ingredients I use in making this mouth-watering spaghetti in the description box. So don't forget to check it out, okay? So guys, these are my ingredients already prepped. My spaghetti already boiled. My bell peppers well blended. My carrots, green beans, my onion already chopped, my boiled eggs. So we'll be using vegetable oil for this recipe. So guys, these are literally everything we need. So let's start cooking. Firstly, add some oil in a pot. Next, add your onion and start frying for about 2 to 3 minutes. Fry until it gives you this consistency like it's about to burn. That's a perfect way to fry your onions to extract all the beautiful aroma and the flavor you need in cooking your food. So this is the consistency you get after frying your onion. Like guys, you have to start frying your onions right. Like the flavor in this kitchen, eh? So next, I'm adding your blended pepper mix. Stir and let it fry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Fry and add in your locust beans, which is totally optional. That's if you eat locust beans. But guys, locust beans is a game changer. Like it takes the aroma and the taste of the food to another level. So next we are going to be adding our seasoning cubes, salt, black pepper, white pepper, curry powder, like our dry spices, guys. We are going to put in all of it, and next we put our beef. You can use any beef of your choice, our eggs, and our spring onion. We are going to be putting part of it. I'll be using the rest later. So after putting all your ingredients, stir very well and bring everything together. Make sure you stir very well so everything comes together nicely. After that, add in your carrot and your green beans and cover and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, check on your pot and voila! Your pepper sauce is ready. You can enjoy this with rice, guys. So take off your eggs so it doesn't break while stirring the spaghetti. Yeah, something like that. Take off all your eggs, guys, and introduce your spaghetti at this point. This is the point we have been waiting for. Introduce your spaghetti nicely, slowly, gently. So after putting your spaghetti, mix it very well until everything incorporates together nicely. Like guys, mix very well. Do it gently, do it slowly, and you're doing this on a low heat, guys. Never you cook on high heat. High heat destroy your food, like it takes away the flavor from your food. Do this on low heat. Bring everything together nicely, guys, like this. Besties, we are almost done making a mouth-watering spaghetti. Like guys, you can never go wrong trying this recipe. Bring in your eggs and don't forget your leftover spring onion. Sprinkle it around the food. It gives our spaghetti this very colorful look that I just so much love. Cover and let it simmer for 1 minute. Don't go pressing your phone because at exactly 1 minute you have to check on your spaghetti and voila, a mouth-watering delicious yummy spaghetti is ready. Besties, you can never go wrong with this recipe. Don't forget to try this at home and enjoy it with your family and your friends. So besties, as a foodie that I am, this is my favorite part. Serve it and enjoy. Guys, I didn't get tired eating this spaghetti. I ate it in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. So I hope you are going to be trying this mouth-watering delicious spaghetti by Racarellesbite. Be sure to check out everything I use in making this spaghetti in the description box. Besties, don't forget to check out another mouth-watering recipes that I've been making on this channel. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor by subscribing, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new from this video. So besties, I have to run now because my spaghetti is waiting for me. As a foodie that I am, I have to go and deal with this spaghetti. See you all in my next video. Bye.